from ACAP. We're just doing a second update for today. Just because the oil is back to a key level that I've been watching for a fair period of time now. We do still have a downtrend, but this level we can see is here. I've highlighted it and have a trend line in just showing that level of support. It's a pretty key level. It goes back to March. We have seen a few attempts by sellers to break it. They've all been unsuccessful so far, but something interesting happened yesterday, the other day, with that real big move down. We saw it failed to go through it once again. We saw that rally up yesterday that really close flat, but again the levels held firm. Again today, though, we're seeing buyers struggle really to get a new rally going. Now, if we do see a break at that level, possibly we could see a move back down to 90 or maybe lower, but these are really just guesses. There's nothing really behind that from a technical point of view. They're both just round numbers basically. But the key is that if we did break that level, that could be saying a resumption of this trend here, and definitely be looking for a little bit of downside if selling momentum really did pick back up. But first things first, sellers need to break this level, and as we've pointed out and just noted before, they haven't been able to do that. So this would be a real first, and could be a bit of a signal that the current trend, this current downtrend, is looking to go further, and that momentum that we saw earlier in the year that was really driving these strong moves up continues to abate and deteriorate. So we are seeing the OBV broken out already, but price hasn't broken out. I don't know if you could call that a reverse sign of divergence or something like that. I'm not paying too much attention to it right now. Possibility also that it could start to turn back up and show us support. But if any of the viewers have a good idea of what that could mean, or if it doesn't mean anything, please feel free to leave a comment. I normally only use OBV just to show and clarify that the trend is running, and just we are seeing higher lows or a breakout in the OBV, like we saw here when this move started to go higher here. You can see that breakout there. So I'll try to keep this video as short as possible. So basically tonight and the rest of today and tonight, we're just going to be continuing to watch this level. We do see a breakout through it. It could signal that there's a potential move lower occurring. But if we do see this level hold again, we are starting to see a bit of a squeeze now in this level here. So could we even see a reversal finally, and then oil does start to make a new move up? So that $100 to $101 per area $102 areas definitely has been showing a fair bit of resistance of late. We have seen a fair bit of struggles to get above it, but right now we're sort of getting into this squeeze point. It'll be interesting to see today or tomorrow if who wins this war, and this part of the war, if sellers are able to finally make a breakout lower to further on this trend, or if we do see buyers continue to defend and sellers basically become exhausted and we do see a new move higher. So that's it. We thank you very much for tuning in and giving us your time. Please, leave any comments or feedback. We'll really welcome that. And we hope you enjoy the rest of your trading day. Bye for now.